So what are you doing? Is that a glue gun?
No, this is
a welder thing.
like a
Oh,
welder.
yeah, because I thought I smelled some
It's called a solder.
solder. You're fixing her bracelet?
Yeah, I just have to straighten this out because it's a little crooked.
Okay.
Probably can't tell, but it's melting the metal.
I could tell. I could see when I zoom in. I see the metal melting. Yeah.
So that one's good. That one's straight.
That's your bracelet?
Yeah. Well, it was Alex's, but she never wore it, so she just
Let you have it.
yeah. I told her I didn't want it at first, but when she left, I took it back because I liked it. This is why I don't like thin bracelets. They break too easily.
Look at all
But
these
it's because
pills. I gotta
Chico
put this
pulled
in.
it.
So this is called a solder?
Yes.
Solder?
Solder.
Are they all that little?
What do you mean?
Well, it's a little gun.
Yeah, so.
They come in bigger sizes for bigger projects.
Not really.
Oh, okay.
This is more for like electrical.
So that is heat that's melting the bracelet?
It's not melting the bracelet, it's melting the solder that I put on it.
Okay. Very interesting. Thank God my husband is a jack of all trades, right? He
Kind of.
literally can do everything.
Kind of.
Nice.
Now I have to attach this.
What was that little noise? It's just like you pushing
The gun, yeah.
So does that like kind of glue it together kind of thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I need this. This is basically like metal.
Mm-hmm. That's cool. Ooh, all the smoke. That's so cool. Why is it smoking like that?
Because it's the metal that's on there.
Oh, snappity snap. That's pretty cool. Let me go back on this side. You fixed it?
Yeah, as best as I can for now.
That gun is still on. I see a little smoke coming out.
It'll turn off because I don't have the trigger down.
Very cool. See, little daddy can do everything.
Almost.
Almost.
Did you burn yourself?
Yeah, because the whole metal gets hot, so. Just trying to get rid of that.
So this little chain that's attached now, it fell off and you kind of reattached it.
Yes.
Okay. Very cute. It's a little anklet, Audrey?
It's a bracelet.
I thought it was an anklet.
The only thing is this was already tangled, and I was
Yeah.
trying to untangle it, but it's kind of a pain in the
It
butt.
was already like that. I don't know.
I could have sworn that wasn't an anklet.
No, it's a bracelet. You might be able to use it as an anklet, but I don't know.
Did you ever ask Alex? I think she's...
It's a
I
bracelet.
thought it was an anklet.
Yeah, so it's pretty much good. The only thing is some of the solder came a little bit back here, so now it's preventing it from bending a little bit. So I'm gonna try and melt that metal a little bit so it'll come off of there. I just don't want it to stay on there. Trying to get it off.
Cool beans. Good job, Daddy-O.
You see when it cools down, it stays on there.
So by heating it, it helps it to be more flexible and not stay bent the way it is?
Well, I'm trying to remove the solder because it's got a little excess.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's definitely working. Nala, you watching Daddy? What's Daddy doing? He's fixing the bracelet? Can you tell us how you learned how to do this stuff, babe? Did you learn it from your dad?
Yep. I've been messing with this kind of crap since I was probably 15.
Yeah. I guess I should have them down. So is this like kind of like welding or no?
Yes,
It
it's
is.
essentially welding.
Okay.
So basically this is not, jewelers use this, but this is more for like electronics.
The one you're using right now.
Yeah, it's more for like soldering electrical wires and stuff like that.
So jewelers have like a different kind of, it still does the same thing, but just
Yeah.
maybe a little smaller or something.
Yeah. I don't have any flux. Flux would remove some of this.
What's flux?
Flux is this, that orange stuff. That allows the solder to stick. But this is flux core wire, so the flux is actually inside the wire.
Oh, okay.
But if I had flux, I'd be able to get this off, but I don't have any.
So the orange stuff runs inside those wires? Like,
Yeah.
so the wire is not a solid wire?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay. Interesting. I never knew that. I would think that's a solid wire, but...
Yeah, I can't get that straighten out.
Look good. Looks fixed.
I'll just wear it like that for now. It's the best we can do. You want to try it? How does it go on? Like this, right?
Yeah, it's just,
Yeah.
yep.
Hopefully you might not notice it.
It's a 2-chain bracelet, but I could have sworn it was an anklet. I have to ask Alex because I thought.
Well,
Whatever.
she told me it was a bracelet.
Did she? Maybe it was a bracelet. I don't know.
Here,
Maybe
which
I'm
one?
confused.
What hand?
Did you break some of the wire off?
No,
Oh, no, you didn't. Okay.
it's the same. It
Let's
works.
see. See? It looks great. Daddy did a good job.
It works. It works for now.
Very beautiful. Good job, Daddy.
Better than throwing it out.